software that we used at Thornton & Grooms prior to ServiceTitan was limiting.
We had just a ton of spreadsheets and everybody kind of had their own number.
We're doing all this extra work. What is that worth?
We decided that we needed to do something different.
We looked at ServiceTitan because they were a preferred vendor in Nexstar. The difference between what ServiceTitan is doing and all the other softwares that I'd seen out there, it was night and day. The speed of it, the look of it, the ability and the ease to pull information.
It just became a no-brainer, and then we're like, well, we've decided, why don't we just implement this year?
And we did it in the busiest time of the year.
Our implementation specialist was awesome.
I was put at ease pretty quickly when I was like, wow, they have their act together.
The support that you had was incredible.
We went live and quite frankly didn't skip a beat.
Being a fully web-based software, it's wonderful. There's no worrying about having your own server on site. You know, if something happens, it's on me to run and fix it. Things don't happen.
We probably cut our training for our office staff by 80%.
We're the customer service representatives. We're the very first point of contact when someone calls us. When a customer calls in, I already know their name. I can address them accordingly. I know where they live. I know their past history. Using ServiceTitan has actually made people think that we were psychic.
As a dispatcher, you need to be working in the most efficient way possible. How easy it is to read the board. You just click on a call and it's as simple as moving your mouse up and you can drop it onto the timeline on the board and it puts the call on them.
What our guys really appreciate is that we're giving them a tool that's easier to use.
I open up ServiceTitan, it pops up my job. You can actually go and look into the history. Have we been there before? Were any estimates given?
ServiceTitan is so easy for the technicians to use. They can show the customer step by step. It's very comfortable for them.
When you hand a customer something digital, they look at you like, you're a plumber, you're supposed to be in the Stone Age.
We're actually able to see that they've sold something in real time, so less instances of us having to go to them because the software is automatically keeping us in the loop.
There's a vast amount of resources at my fingertips.
The information that we can get out of ServiceTitan to be able to track trends, to be able to look at how technicians are performing.
I don't have to look at 7 different spreadsheets to be able to see whether we had a successful day or not.
Year-over-year results of our last quarter, we were up close to 30%.
Every single person that I've dealt with on the support team has been just great. Super friendly. You cannot even be in the best mood when you call them and they're just like over the top wonderful.
That's how I want my customers to feel about us. It was a very fresh approach for us and something that I think we're still trying to wrap our head around. This is what a great customer experience can be.
Our future's tough to predict. What we do know is that we're going to continue to grow and we're going to continue to adapt to serve our homeowner, whatever that is. And what we like is that ServiceTitan is along for the ride.
I don't know how we operated without this.
If you want to be the best, why wouldn't you work with the best? ServiceTitan is the best.